Good morning students. I am Mageshwari. Now we are going to exercise number 4.3 fourth sum. Find the value of second point. First point is homework. Sin of tan inverse 1 by 2 minus cos inverse 4 by 5. See the question ma. Sin of tan inverse 1 by 2 minus cos inverse 4 by 5. We will know the answer. Sine of this one and sine inverse of this one, the some two functions are cancelling, we get the answer. But we will see this, the three function is here: sine function, tan inverse function and cos function. So three function is given here. So how it is find the value of this one? So we are using another method. So tan inverse of 1 by 2 and cos inverse of 4 by 5. This is the two values are unknown values. So unknown values, what we find ma? You find, we will take the simple concept. So tan inverse of 1 by 2, here the value is, let us take the value of x. Tan inverse of 1 by 2, let us take the value of x. And cos inverse 4 by 5, let us take the value of y. This is our convenient, taking the value of x, y or a, b, any letter we can use. So now we take the value of tan inverse of 1 by 2, take x, and cos inverse of 4 by take y. So we know that the formula for sin inverse of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This formula we will know very well. So now we can use this formula, this method also. Sin x minus y, that is the same formula we can use. Now let us take the value of x. What is the value of x, ma'am? What is the value of x? Tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to x. What is the value of x, ma? Tan inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to x. Now we can write 1 by 2 is here. We can change the value of tan inverse going to right hand side. We can change the inverse. So now we can write tan x only. Tan inverse exchange into tan x only. So this is the tan x. And we will get tan x, okay. Next we will get cos. Which is cos and answer go. How we get cos? I can use secant x equal to 1 by cos x. Now you can that reciprocal format. So we can take secant square is equal to the connecting for tan and secant. So that why you use only that the reciprocal format. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Now we will apply the value of tan x. Now we apply. So 1 plus tan x. What is the value of tan x, ma? 1 by 2. Now here 1 by 2 apply. Put the square. So now we can change the value of secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So now we will put the value of tan square x. Now we can change 1 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So 1 by 4. Now we can change a multiplication, cross multiplication. 1 4 is 4. So 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. What is the value of 5 by 4? Secant square x. Secant square x value is 5 by 4. Now we want only secant x. So which implies secant x is equal to square root of 5 and square root of 4. Now we can change square root of 5. Taking a square root of 4, what the answer, ma? What will you answer? Answer is 2. So secant x is equal to root 5 by 2. Next, change the reciprocal format. Why we change the reciprocal form? We want only cos. So now we change the reciprocal format. So therefore cos x is equal to 1 by secant x. Now we apply the value of reciprocal format. 1 by root 5 by 2 change into reciprocal form. So now we can write the answer is 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. What is the value of here? Value is now we find tan x, secant x and cos x. What is the answer is given? We find sin x cos y, cos x sin y. Now we find only cos x only. Other sin y, cos y, sin x we will find. Next we want sin x. Now we can write sin x. Sin x is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square x. Now using trigonometric formulas. So we know the answer of square root of 1 minus, we know the answer cos x is equal to 4 by 5. Cos x is equal to, what is the value, mama? Cos x is equal to 2 by root 5. Cos x is equal to 2 by root 5. Now we apply 2 by root 5 the whole square. Now we can squaring on the values. So 1 minus 2 square 4, root 5 squaring cancel off this one. So we get the value as 5. Now we can use cross multiplication. So write the answer is 1 5s are 5, 5 minus 4 by 5, and taking a numerator 5 minus 4 we get the answer is 1. So write the value of square root of 1 by 5. Now we can write the value as 1 by root 5. This is the value of sin x. Next we find let us take cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to y. Now we will apply that method also. 4 by 5 is equal to going to that side cos inverse, so cos y. Cos y is equal to 4 by 5. Let us change sin y. What is the formula, ma? Sin y is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square y. So now we will apply the value of cos y, square root of 1 minus cos y, answer is 4 by 5 the whole square. Now we will change the value of 1 minus 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Now we can write cross multiplication. 25 ones are 25 minus 16 by 25. Simplify the numerator value, 25 minus 16, so 9 by 25. Now taking square root, taking a square root of 9 we get the answer is 3, and taking a square root of 25 we get the answer is 3 by 5. This is the value of sin y. Now we find the 4 values. What is the 4 values? Sin x, cos y, sin y. All the values are fine. Then we will apply the question only. What is the question? Now we apply the values in the question. Sin of tan inverse 1 by 2 minus cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to sin of tan inverse, we will take the value of x, minus cos inverse 4 by 5 we will take the value of y. So we can write the value as sin of x minus y. What is the formula? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now we will apply the find the value of all values. Sin x, what is the value of sin x, ma? Sin x value is 1 by, above this value, sin x is equal to 1 by root 5 and cos y is equal to 4 by 5 minus cos x is equal to 2 by root 5 and sin y is equal to 3 by 5. Now simplify the answer. We'll take the denominator value 5 root 5. Taking denominator value 5 root 5, numerator value 1 4s are 4, multiply by 1 this value 1 4s are 4 minus 2 3s are 6. So now we simplify, the answer is numerator 1 minus 2 by 5 root 5. Now we simplify this one, taking denominator for 2 root 5. So we multiply by numerator and denominator root 5. Multiply by numerator and denominator root 5. Now we get the answer is minus 2 root 5. This is a numerator value and 5 is here. The root 5 into root 5, we get the value is single 5. So minus 2 root 5 by 5 5s are 25. This is the value of this question. Thank you, all of you.